Alright guys, if you've got an action camera and a motorbike, but your footage still looks kinda average, you're probably mounting it wrong. In this video, I'm gonna show you the best camera placements to get those epic, cinematic riding shots, the ones that actually make it look like a movie. First up, selfie stick mounted at the back of the bike. This is that classic invisible stick effect. It looks like a drone is following you, capturing your whole body, the bike, and the road behind. Result: super clean, super cinematic, easily one of the best angles for overall riding shots. Next, same rear position, but with a shorter extension. You're closer to the camera now, so the shot feels tighter and more controlled, with less movement. Result: still looks great, but less dramatic than the full extension, a safer, more stable option. Now we move to the rear side of the bike with a small extension. This angle really shows the lean of the bike and the road flying past. Result: awesome sense of speed and motion, but not as cinematic as the full rear follow shot. Alright, front extension setup. This gives you that crazy leading shot, like the camera is pulling you forward down the road. Result: probably the most eye-catching angle, super cinematic, but you definitely want to make sure everything is mounted properly. Last one, mounted right at the front of the bike. This is more of a clean, straightforward angle focused on the road ahead. Result: stable and simple, but more basic compared to the other creative setups. Alright, that's it for these camera setups using an action camera. If you want that cinematic look, the rear and front extension setups are definitely the winners. Let me know in the comments which angle you like the most. And if you're running an Insta360 X3 on your bike, hit subscribe. Plenty more content coming. See you on the next ride.